History of airplane crashes. We'll delve into aviation's past, touching on significant crashes like TWA Flight 3, 1931, and Amelia Earhart's vanishing, 1937. Causes of airplane crashes. Discover the factors behind crashes: human error, mechanical faults, weather challenges, and air traffic control slip-ups. Investigation and analysis. Learn about crash inquiries, the role of black boxes, radar, and how analysis enhances aviation safety. Prevention and safety measures. Explore tech advancements, pilot training enhancements, crew coordination, and air traffic control upgrades. Summarizing our findings, let's prioritize safety in aviation.